Hi, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to integrate Loom, the video recording software that we're using to produce this video, into the Vaulta app itself. So first of all, any of you that are not familiar with Loom, it's a really easy, simple, quick way to record and communicate with your clients via video. And we hugely encourage you to do so in Vaulta because it increases engagement with clients and it really helps you deliver that extra value and build those strong relationships. So first of all, for those of you that are not familiar with Loom, you would need to go to Loom, so loom.com, and set up an account. There's various free options as well as paid options, and even the paid options are priced relatively cheaply, especially given the value that it adds. So first of all, going to set up a Loom account really easy. The next thing you'll need to do once you have a Loom account is come to this URL here. So loom.com/developer-portal. And it will take you to this page here, which says record SDK applications. You've only got to do this once. So I appreciate it might be a little bit technical, but it's quite simple if we follow these instructions. You would usually have no apps listed here. I've got a couple because this is a test environment. So we're going to do create application, and we need to give it a unique name. So we would suggest Vaulta and then your practice name, and you know it's going to be unique. We'd click SDK standard, and in here enter domain. We're going to enter the domain for Vaulta. So HTTPS //app.vaulta.io is the one that we want to add in here, and we will create application. And what this will do within Loom is it will allow your Loom account to be linked to that domain so you can record videos. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to click copy to clipboard, and that's our Loom API key copied. Nice and simple. And like I said, you're only going to need to do this once. Once you're in Vaulta itself, you're already logged in, click on your account name in the top right hand corner and go to settings. And then under branding settings here in the top right, you'll see your branding settings, your colors and your logo, etc. And down here is your Loom API key. So all we're going to do is just copy and paste from the developer portal that we just selected there and click save. Nice and straightforward. And like I said, you're only going to need to do that once. And now your Vaulta account is linked to Loom. And what I will do just quickly, just show you the benefit of doing that. If we go into a client dashboard here, and in the bottom right hand corner down here, we'll see the record video button. And that is the direct Loom integration to your Loom account. We can click Loom here and we can start to record. If you have any problems with that aspect in terms of setting up the Loom API key, then please do reach out to our support. We'll be more than happy to help.